Hello, Avon third graders. I was getting ready for the lesson this week, and I realized that in social studies you are learning about the settlement of what is now North America. Along with that, you'll be learning about John Smith. Some of you guys have heard of John Smith from watching the movie Pocahontas. All of the information in that movie Pocahontas are not real facts. You might want to do some research on John Smith and Pocahontas. Right behind me in the water, I just saw a small school of fish. Too bad it wasn't a school of children. One of those fish, just like those Asian carp, jumped into the boat with me. And as you may have noticed, I'm not even sitting in a body of water. I'm sitting in my garden because I wanted to show you, back when Pocahontas was around, the Native Americans taught the white settlers that they should bury the fish when they plant their corn seeds. And this is why. Those fish would soon be broken down by the decomposers that we learned about in science, and it would become part of the soil. Right now you can see that I have leaves and grass in my garden. Those leaves and grass are going to add that richness to the soil too. If you remember from science, the rich soil, it contains lots of humus. And you are going to learn in science the different kinds of soil that we have and which ones are good for growing crops. I did have a student once tell me that humus should not be mixed up with humerus, which is the price of corn these days. If you are a farm kid, you have a great advantage this week because you have experts living in your house. We've always said the best way to know about a topic that we're studying is to do your own research on it or to ask an expert. You have experts on soil conservation, strip cropping, all sorts of things right there at your fingertips. So you farm kids, have some conversations with your parents about soil. One more thing, do you ever have a feeling that you're being watched? Oh well, I guess I'm just paranoid. I always feel like somebody's watching me.